Accountants, bookkeepers, tax professionals, here's one of the biggest misses that you have going on in your business. You focus too much, not just on accountant work and tax work and bookkeeping work and maybe a little payroll. Maybe you've even graduated to doing this outsourced accounting model that I've been preaching for so long. Stack them all together, add a ton of value, but you're probably missing out on one of the biggest opportunities to add value, and I want to show it to you. Are you ready? So my name's Rob, I own Feedback Wrench. I have 700 plus videos on YouTube. For a decade now, I've been building up Feedback Wrench. I got a team of 7. We pump out hundreds of websites, marketing setups, Facebook ads, Google ads. We will create you a little video with an ad that can get you leads. We'll create an SEO optimized platform that dominates your competitors. Whether you're an accountant, a general contractor, a service-based business, we wanna help you. But now I wanna talk about how do you add more value? Because one of the core problems with an accountant is you think like an accountant. Just accept the work that somebody asks you to do. Will you please clean up my bookkeeping? No. I want you to all gently learn how to pump the brakes when people come to you. I want you to dive in and do a consultation. Get your paws on that tax return. Get added into the accounting and then do a snapshot. That snapshot, you wanna find out when did they start the business? Where are they trying to go with the business? Find out the names of everybody that's in that business that has anything to do with operations, taxes, bookkeeping, payroll, anything. Now you're on the lookout for people that have employees that are making more than 120,000 bucks, because then you can be their outsourced accountant, right? But one of the biggest fails, let me hit this fail. See, this fail has to do with not only are you just quickly just doing the work that they want and not pumping the brakes to do an analysis and then coming up with a compelling full-fledged value prop solution where you do their taxes, you do their bookkeeping, you provide tax planning, you serve as a CFO, you meet with them monthly, you do the year-end taxes, you help them in quarter 4. You can help them so much by not changing that much of what you're doing, but by stacking it together. Not only are you missing on that, but you're forgetting that the struggle for business owners is to go from here to there in terms of scalability and profitability. Every business owner wants to grow. Most of them do. If they don't want to grow, they want to grow profitability. Most people want both of them to happen. They want to have a team around them of people who are empowered, working in their strengths, just killing it, helping their customers in such a fashion that folks are like giving them 5-star reviews and they're growing leaps and bounds and cats and dogs and things. That's what they want, right? But there's something that is true about this one thing that keeps them stuck. What gets you from nothing to a mid-level complexity entrepreneurial business is unique. You gotta be an entrepreneur. You gotta jump in the canoe and start going down the river. Take the risk, try to live off of what you kill. It is daring, it is hard, it takes guts. And guess what? It is not the skill set that helps you go from mid to there. You need process, formalities, corporate structure, SOPs, and a simplified framework. You as the accountant are in the best position to provide insight, perspective, and influence to help build a framework they can grow on. Now, I have an affiliate link to a program in here that you could share with your customers, but I'm telling you, regardless of that, you need to learn a program like this and help people deploy it. Jobber is by far the best in terms of capacity and growth without being too expensive for most industries. Now, if you look at here, it's house cleaning, janitorial, pressure washing, window, lawn care, tree care, landscaping, snow removal, general contracting, handyman, electric, roofing, plumbing, HVAC, and painting. Why is this such a big deal? Well, yeah, you do their accounting, you help them get paid. Maybe they're using QuickBooks invoices, but here's what's gonna happen. A business owner is all about, I need to make it really easy to give estimates, get the estimate, get it paid, get my person deployed to that job, track what happened, don't get lost, have great notes, make sure that we order the right parts, make sure they have good directions so they don't get lost, and then make sure that I deploy this team to maximize the calendar of our potential. That's what they need. And if they don't get a system like this, they will get stuck. Now, it doesn't have to be Jobber, but quite frankly, it should be. Jobber is going to provide the framework. Everything from, they all get an app, so all their team gets an app, and it's not like you need to be in there doing everything for them, but if you learn little bits of this and you come in and you help make sure that when a lead comes in, it creates the right steps for them. When that invoice comes in, they know where it's going. You know how to connect it to QuickBooks really well. You're gonna find that you can add so much stinking value to this business. It's incredible. I would encourage you this year be the year where you might even pay for it yourself to go in there and get the training. I don't even know what they do if you can start a trial and learn a little bit, but the accountants I know that are true CFOs, you really wanna add value, you help them get the most out of their people. You help them create the most synergy. You simplify their operations. It's not about the software, but it's about making their life, their customers' life, their employees' life, all integrated simply. And Jobber's probably the easiest way to do it. So I'm not being paid by them. I do have an affiliate link. It's in the description. You can forward this to somebody. But I'm telling you, accountants, you owe it to your business clients to stop ignoring their tax planning opportunities. Stop ignoring the conversations mid-year. Start being a leader, and one of the best things you can do to start being a CFO or a fractional CFO is to help them deploy systems that get them able to track jobs, deploy their people, and unify this. If you build your team around this, you will make so much money. Good luck. God bless. Like and subscribe if you want to see more tips.